Hi everyone, this is Afin Ali. First of all, subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe till now, and press the bell button for notifications. So today we are discussing about the air conditioning suction system. So this is, you say, this is a air handling unit, AHU you call in the short form. So how the air take, or how the chill water take, and how the boiler water will take from a heating on cooling for a cold water. So subscribe in channel, don't forget to my subscribe if you did not subscribe till now. So this is, see here, this is AHU, the section layout for this will be take a 100% return air from the buildings. Okay, so this is from room and whatever you have sites, and it will be go to the first it will be go to the return here. So it will be 100% will be come here, and 75% go will be the head, and 25% from the eliminate from here. So I told you before, though 75% will be used and only 25% will be eliminated. So 25% will be go out from here, and then this is the damper to be controlled to the 75%, and 25% will be removed from it. Damper will be controlled how much the air we need here. So it will be go to the mixture box. So in outside they will take 25%. okay, in normal building I'm talking about that. So it will be take up 25% here, and that 75% and 25% will be 100%. The filter, so we have to filter this one. Sometime is the air will be the something, you know, would be with the dust, or you say the some garbage also will bring it. So we have to filter this one, and after that there is a cooling coil. So this is cooling coil, this is the chiller plants. okay, this is a cooling head, cooling tower, or like that. So it will be go to the pump, and this condenser and compenser, it is return layer from here again for cooling. So the chiller, you can see this diagram, it will go to the here, okay, and return here. So after air is cold, we go to the directly air supply to the inlet ducts. So if we are in Europe or another country, they need a heater as well. So sometimes the heater is the coil heaters, we have to provide just a coil heater. But in Europe and other countries, cold country, and sometimes the client is requirement with the boilers, so we have to provide a boilers here. So it will be simple here, boiler will be boil the water, it will be go here by the pump, and